Hi, I'm Florence Mayfair, and welcome to Mayfair Astrology, where we decode the universe and reveal its cosmic secrets. In today's video, we're exploring the astrological forecast for Cancer in April 2025. This month brings a blend of introspection, transformation, and renewed energy, with planetary movements influencing your personal growth, relationships, and career. Before we begin, I have something special for you. Download my free guide, 12 Rituals to Harness the Power of the Moon, plus the 2025 Digital Moon and Astrology Planner to help you align with the cosmic rhythms. The link is in the description below. Let's explore the wisdom of the stars together. Your astrological journey begins now. Let's dive in. For those born under the sign of Cancer, April 2025 is a month of emotional growth and renewed energy. With significant planetary shifts, you'll find opportunities to reassess your goals, strengthen relationships, and embark on new ventures. Mars direct in Cancer since February 24. Mars, the planet of action and drive, has been retrograde, causing delays in motivation and decision-making. Now direct in your sign, it reignites your energy and confidence. Embrace this surge of vitality to initiate projects and pursue personal goals. Balance this newfound assertiveness with your natural empathy to avoid unnecessary conflicts. Venus retrograde, March 1st, April 12. Venus, ruling love, finances, and self-worth, remains retrograde until April 12th, prompting a deep reassessment of your relationships, money habits, and what truly matters to you. Avoid impulsive decisions in these areas. Use this period to reflect on emotional patterns and financial goals before making any long-term commitments. Mercury retrograde, March 15, April 7. Mercury's retrograde from March 15 to April 7 may bring delays, misunderstandings, and confusion in conversations, negotiations, and travel plans. Double-check all communications, clarify instructions, and postpone major decisions until Mercury goes direct. Patience will be your greatest asset. Finances. Post-April 7th, as Mercury goes direct, expect smoother communication and progress at work. Mars in Cancer boosts ambition, making it an ideal time to advocate for yourself. Focus on collaborative projects and clear communication. Revisit financial plans and budgets, especially after Venus goes direct on April 12th. Relationships. The Venus retrograde period may bring past relationship issues to the surface, encouraging emotional reflection. Engage in open dialogues to resolve lingering conflicts. After April 12th, relationships are likely to experience renewed harmony and understanding. Health and well-being. With Mars energizing your sign, you may feel a boost in physical vitality, but also a tendency towards stress and emotional overwhelm. Incorporate regular physical activity to channel this energy positively. Practice mindfulness techniques such as meditation or journaling to maintain emotional balance. Best days for success. April 15th. As Venus goes direct, it's an excellent time to mend relationships and make financial decisions. April 18th. Mars enters Leo, enhancing your confidence, ideal for leadership roles and creative projects. April 27. The Moon in Taurus favors grounding activities and financial planning. What to avoid. April 3 to 7. The final phase of Mercury retrograde may cause misunderstandings. Avoid signing contracts or making major decisions. April 20. Mars squares Uranus, leading to potential unexpected conflicts. Steer clear of impulsive actions. April 2025 offers Cancerians a transformative journey, blending introspection with renewed vigor. By navigating the month's energies mindfully, you can turn challenges into opportunities for profound personal growth. Want to dive deeper? Download the 2025 Digital Moon and Astrology Planner for free using the link in the description to align your actions with the cosmic cycles. What's your biggest focus for April? Love, career, or personal growth? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let's see what the stars have in store for you. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new cosmic update. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep looking to the stars.